This is an ordinary hairband which costs around 20-30 rupees, 10-20-30 or whatever, available in all fancy stores. I have a collection of old hairbands of my daughter of her school days. So we have passed this hairband through a paper holder like this, through a paper holder. Instead of passing through the rents, the holes in the paper holder, we have passed it through and through so that it is holding better than when we put it through the holes. So this can be simply worn like this. It is comfortable, it is not holding tight on the forehead, and it gives good protection to the eyes and to the nose also. And a simple cloth mask like this would suffice, because already we have a plastic sheet in front of us. And this is very easy to sterilize also. After every duty, I'm planning to give this to all my staff. After every duty, they can just leave it outside the sunlight and go, or we can spray some sanitizer on this and leave it to dry, or you can just wash it and dry it.